You know the importance of being prepared for a major disaster, but are you ready for those minor emergencies? I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to plan ahead right after this.
It's National Fire Prevention Week, and we're helping our audience protect their homes with a special giveaway from Leviton. You can enter for a chance to win an AFCI outlet, which is a simple device that helps prevent electrical fires in your home by shutting off the power immediately if a fire is detected. We're giving away 20 AFCI outlets every day this week, so head over to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to enter. Giveaway ends October 12th, so enter today.
It's important to prepare for little disasters too, so don't wait until a pipe bursts to start looking for a plumber or wait until the power's out to find an electrician. That's not the time you want to rely on the first listing you find when you start your search. That's what the guys who charge big bucks for immediate service count on. You're in a jam and they know it. Instead, plan ahead. Ask neighbors and friends who they use and why they like them, then start an emergency phone list by category. The good guys are always the busiest, so have them do a small repair first in a non-emergency situation. Then when big problems occur, you'll have someone you know and trust, someone who knows you too. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.